Can cats eat shrimp? Yes, cats can safely eat shrimp as an occasional healthy treat. Plain cooked shrimp provides high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins that benefit your cat. However, you must follow strict preparation rules before feeding shellfish to your feline companion. Never feed raw shrimp to your cat because it can carry dangerous bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli. Always peel the shell, remove the tail, and take off the digestive vein, as these parts present a severe choking hazard and can damage their digestive tract. Cook the shrimp thoroughly by boiling or steaming it without any salt, oil, garlic, onion, or spices. These seasonings are toxic to felines. If you are wondering if cats can have shrimp as a regular meal, the answer is no. Shrimp is high in sodium and cholesterol, so it should only be a small snack that makes up less than 10% of their daily calories. If you want to know if shrimp is safe for cats with medical conditions, consult your veterinarian before introducing any new food into their diet. Keep portions small to avoid stomach upset. So if you are thinking, can I give my cat shrimp? Just make sure it is cooked plain, fully peeled, and served in tiny moderation.